Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Esta noche hay mucha calma. The Spanish word of the day is the word calm in Spanish. But before we watch this, I want to invite you to click that red button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let us begin. We're going to learn how to say calm in Spanish. Calmado or calmada if you're a female. This guy was calmado. He was calm. C-A-L-M-A-D-O. Yo estoy calmado. I'm calm. Like this guy, look at him. Yo estoy calmado. Calmado. If you're a female, you would say, yo estoy calmada. Like this girl here. Yo estoy calmada. I'm calm. He is calm. Él está calmado. Ella está calmada. By looking at her feet, we can see she is muy calmada. Él estaba calmado. That means that he was calm. Él estaba, he was calmado, calm, calmado. Ella estaba calmada. She was calm, so pleasant, serene, quiet. Ella estaba calmada. She was calm. What a beautiful feeling, huh? Calm. Calmado. C-A-L-M-A-D-O. C-A-L-M-A-D-O. Calmado. Muy bien amigos, thank you so much. Click that red button. Please subscribe, it can make a big difference. I spend a lot of time producing these videos, and by subscribing, you make it possible for me to continue producing videos. Okay amigos, take care and I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Chao, chao.